Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix background check issues on DoorDash. First, open your Dasher app or visit the website and double check that all your personal details and documents like your ID and driver's license are accurate and up to date. Next, visit the Checker candidate portal at candidate.checker.com. Here you can track the progress of your background check and see if there are any issues or missing information. If you notice an error or delay, you can dispute incorrect information directly through Checker. They'll review your case and update the report if needed. Still stuck? Contact DoorDash support through the Dasher app or website and explain the issue clearly. Include any screenshots or reference numbers from Checker. And that's it. Following these steps should help you fix any DoorDash background check problems quickly. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.